This Chlorax Clinging Bleach Gel is my secret weapon for cleaning my floor tiles. It works really great. So the first thing you need is your Chlorax gel, and then you also need to have some brushes, and then it's really helpful to have some gloves too. So I want to go ahead and show you what my floor looks like before I actually bleach it. And I've tried other things like the peroxide and baking soda, but I really like the gel the best. Before I put the gel, I want to go ahead and sweep the floor and just get all the stuff off of it and get it as clean as I can and kind of prep it. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and apply the gel, and I just go down all the cracks. That's where all the yuck kind of gets stuck no matter how many times you mop your floor. So just find a systematic way to go through all the cracks without stepping on it. You want to be careful because you are working with bleach and you don't want to step on it. But once you get done, you're just going to see that you've got the whole thing filled in, and you're going to let it sit for about an hour or so. So now it's time for my brushes. I've got my brushes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to start scrubbing those lines where I've applied bleach. I really want to, I may not have to do this for the whole floor, but definitely want to do it on those spots that are really bad. Get in there and just kind of scrub some of that dirt out of there. It's really helpful for this part of the process. So just go ahead and do that. So after I've scrubbed my floor, I do let it sit for a little bit longer. There's no amount of time, but just whatever you feel comfortable with. And then you're going to go on to the mopping stage. And again, being very careful because, again, you're working with bleach. So just go ahead and mop the floor. Now, I have a bucket here, but I found that using the sink was actually better for most of the floor. So it's just going to get all that bleach off, and then you're going to just let it dry. So now my floor is dry. I hope that you can really see what a difference it makes. It's a little hard because of the lighting, but it really does do a good job. I do this about twice a year. I live in the desert, so finding the right time of the year because of the Clorox smell is kind of hard. But here's a closer view of it, and now I've washed my rugs and my bathroom is back to normal, and I'm all set. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.